Alright guys, so we are headed to the exhaust shop to go get possibly a muffler delete done. Depending on how much money they want, I don't know if I'm going to do it, but we'll see. But we're going to get over there and hopefully, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get any driving because of where I'm at. I'm not going to be able to do the before and after for the drive-bys and whatnot. But there's plenty of those out there anyways. I don't really need to do what everybody else does. But I'll at least do a rev before and a rev after. You know, a startup before and a startup after if we get it done. So if we get it done, you guys are about to hear what the Daytona is going to sound like with a muffler delete. I'm hoping it's not super crazy loud or anything like that. So we'll see. Let's go check it out. Alright, sorry if it's windy and noisy and we're by the road. Looks like they did a good job with my tips, keeping them straight. Let's fire it up. We ended up getting the mufflers deleted. Oh crap, this thing's way louder. Holy heck. This thing is insanely loud. Let's see if you guys can hear this. Holy crap! Oh crap, we better put our seatbelt on. Alright, we're back. This thing is stupid loud. It's a little cackly and I'm not sure if I really like that, but this thing does sound bad. Oh man. Oh, I'll try to get some revs when I get home for you guys so you guys can hear it. But man, this baby sounds beautiful. Whew. Let's see if we can get right here. You guys ready? You guys hear that crap? This thing's stupid loud. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'll get them when we get home. We'll see you guys later. Okay, so I got sport mode off and you know, that's half throttle. You can, I'm sure you can hear that. But this is just cruising. It's quiet. Even with the mid muffler delete, it is pretty quiet, just cruising. I really like that. So I'll probably be keeping it because I love the sound of it. It is a little bit cackly for me, but you know what? I can deal with it. It's still quiet while you're rolling, so I'm happy. But there you guys have it. Still gotta throw the drive-by and a rev clip. I'll hopefully get a drive-by. I might not get to. That might have to be a continued because the sun's going down and I live in a small town and I don't want to piss everybody off. So we'll try to get a rev. If not, we'll do it later. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Alright, so we're driving back from the exhaust shop for the mid-muffler delete, and I think this is a perfect opportunity to get a lovely view of my Silverado. What do you think? Look at that stance. You can't tell me that don't look good. Sorry if you guys aren't really truck guys, but look at that thing. Hey, she sure does look nice. I'm thinking about turning it into like a pre-runner truck down the road. We'll run it the way it is for a while, and then later on I think we'll go with a pre-runner. I like that look. But I don't know. I really like the look of that. But it's nice to change things up once in a while. You know, lift it, put some 35s on it, make it a pre-runner. That'd be cool. But anyways, there you have it. Let's get some revs in there. Alright? Alright. We are going to do a rev. See if you guys can hear it back there. Hold on a second. Start it up. Alright, you guys ready? Oh yeah. This is awesome. Man, I love that. Alright, just because I've done a few pulls here on Main Street, we are going to make this girl cackle and pop. We gotta let these people go. So we'll skip right now. You guys ready for this? We're in first gear. We're gonna make her pop real loud. That's loud. Anyways, guys, let's get to them revs now. Okay, anyways, I can't have it too loud because it's getting later in the day, but we're gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna lay the camera on the ground underneath, and then you guys will be able to hear it as I rev it. Start it, okay? There you go. There you guys have it. I didn't want to do it too much because, like I said, it's getting a little bit later here. So that's the one rev. Maybe I can do one later tonight when I get going, but I don't know. Either way, if not, I'll do a nice, couple drive-bys, revs during the day for next week, and that way you guys can hear that a lot better. So thanks again for watching, and you guys have a great day.